Hello class 2, how are you children? So today we will do English literature in this class, and you know that this is a book, New Mulberry, isn't it? And we have completed our syllabus. So today we will do the revision of a poem. So you open your book at page number 25. This is page number 25 of your book. And this is the poem The Little Plant, isn't it? We have already completed the poem, and I hope that you have learned the poem also, isn't it children? So today we will do the revision of the poem, and this poem is about a seed that grows into a plant. Have you ever planted a seed? I think some of you have done it, isn't it? So we all like to see a seed grow into a plant, isn't it? Now, what do the seed needs to grow into a plant? These are also taught to you when I told to you when I explained you the poem, isn't it? So if a plant need air, water, sunshine, isn't it, to grow into a plant. So a seed need air, water, sunshine, isn't it, to grow into a plant. So this is about a seed. First what we do, we have to sow the seed in the ground, isn't it? Then we have to water it properly. It should get proper rays of the sun, means sunlight, then water, air, then only it will grow into a beautiful plant. So let us recite the poem. So the name of the poem is The Little Plant, and the poet is Kate Louise Brown. Okay. Now all will read with me. In the heart of a seed buried deep, so deep, a tiny plant lay fast asleep. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. Okay, it means what? It means that in the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, in the heart of a seed, isn't it, there lies a tiny plant. All it needs to grow is air, water, sunlight, isn't it? So at first it keeps on lying inside the seed. So it is said that in the heart of a seed, isn't it, at the middle of a seed. Okay. Now in the heart of a seed buried deep, so deep, we have to bury the seed, isn't it? So there lies what? In the heart of a seed, inside the seed, there lies a tiny plant. Okay, so and it is fast asleep there. In the beginning it is sleeping. Okay, so lay fast asleep. Now the sunshine says, wake up, wake up. Okay, wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light and move towards the light. Okay, then creep means to move slowly. Okay, come out. It says come out. Then wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. When the rain falls, so the raindrop is also asking the seed to come out. Okay, says wake, said the voice of the raindrop bright. The bright sunshine also asking the seed to come out. Okay, to wake up, to come out. Then the little plant heard. Then the little plant, it heard the voice of the raindrops and the sunshine, isn't it? So when it heard the voice, the little plant heard, and it rose to see, and it came up, okay, to see what the wonderful outside world might be. So then it tried to come out, okay, because it wanted to see the beautiful world outside. Okay, so it rose, the little plant rose, means this time the seed grew into a plant, a tiny plant, and it came out of the ground. Okay, then, and now why it has come out? It has heard the voice of the raindrop and the sun, and now it is excited. The plant is excited to see the outside world, the beautiful outside world. So this is a poem, a beautiful poem, isn't it? And with the help of this poem, through this poem, we have also learned, the poet wants us to know what do a seed need to grow into a plant. Okay, written by Kate Lewis Brown, isn't it? At first the seed was buried in the ground, isn't it? Then we have to give water, it will get the rain, means the sunshine, the light of the sun, isn't it? Then air, then only it can grow into a beautiful plant, isn't it? So, and inside the seed, it was lying asleep in the beginning of the poem, and at the end of the poem, it came out. Okay, so to see the beautiful world outside. Okay, so this is the poem. I think you have learned the poem also, memorized the poem. Then the meanings, what meanings also I have told you to learn. I think you have written in the CW copy also, as I asked you. The first one is buried, means to hid in the ground. Okay, first asleep means sleeping deeply. Okay, and creep means to move slowly here in this poem. Creep to the light, to come towards the light slowly. Okay, this is the poem, so learn the poem at home. Okay, thank you.